a new face who's going to appear on your screens as we head towards 20,000. We think we are. His name is Chieh Huang. He runs Boxed. Chieh is an exceptionally wealthy young man because he founded this online selling machine, this juggernaut, and is doing very well. But look, I want you to comment not on the stock market, but on the growth that you see. I know you're expanding your facilities, and you must be doing that because you see growth in the future.
Stuart, you know I've been a viewer for many years. I've been a guest for many years.
Yes.
Since we were in my garage, we were on the show all the way to now. We've raised $150 million over the last 3 years. And it's been a great ride. And so back to what Mike was saying a little bit, like it's not only in the public markets, but the private markets as well. In January and February of this year, if you were a technology venture, you were not out raising money. But I think that's starting to change a little bit. All the IPOs, the 50 or so that are privately kind of percolating underground, they might have a little window there in the beginning of 2017.
Do you see in your business a new mood, a new positive growth mood?
I think absolutely, because we'll have more access to capital. We can invest back into growth, and also with consumers, if taxes come down, then hopefully they'll have a little bit more to spend, and we're part of that machine.
You don't have to tell me. But I'm going to ask. Not how much you're worth. I wouldn't be such a...
You asked me 3 times already, Stuart. Every time I'm on the show. So.
I'm not going to do that. I'm simply going to say, how much has your business expanded now compared to 1 year ago? What's your growth rate?
Oh, incredibly.
Well, give me a number.
Several 100%. It's always, like, in the history of our company, we've grown 3 figures, a triple-digit growth every year of our company. Wow. And this one is no exception. And I think, if we have more access to capital, if the capital markets loosen up for us, then, yeah, we'll continue to grow at that pace.
Mike, so is the capital's going to loosen up for these guys?
We run a venture capital fund. I wish I was in there a few years ago. But what's the plan? Do you look at, so now I agree, I think 2017, the IPO market will open up again. Do you have an exit plan in mind? Like when you have your board meetings, is there an IPO in the future? How do you guys get liquid?
Yeah, potentially. When you look at kind of how we've progressed, and you look at our total addressable market, we're an online warehouse club a la BJ's, Costco, or Sam's Club. That market is huge, and technology is going to affect that market. And so when we think about it, public markets are definitely within view.
So you raised $150 million capital, is that correct?
That's right, yeah.
What percentage of the company is that?
So it's still a decent percentage. We're not a billion-dollar company just yet, but we'll get there one day.
Does that mean that you are close? Well, you're worth several $100 million.
Not me personally, but the company is now, yes.
What's your piece of the company?
It's probably smaller than it should be, but I'll ask the board, Mike.
Is it 10%?
We're getting close, yeah. But
well, that means you are worth close to $100 million.
No, not.
Yes, it
not
does.
At all. Not at all.
Don't contradict me on my own show.
especially when I come back with money bags and give it out to all your guests. I'll be worth a lot less.
Well, you are the CEO of Boxed, B-O-X-E-D, correct?
That's right.
Okay, stay right there. I've got more for you later.